right, how to operate a spinning top. So what you do is you hold the handle, take the string, and just pull it off. And that's how you operate a spinning top. And it'll spin for quite a long time. All right. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Well. All right, how to set it up. What you do is, one, put the spinning top in to the holder, have the string must go into the hole just a little bit, just like that. Do not poke it through. No, we don't want it like that. We want it just a little bit. Just have it come out just a little bit like so. Then you hold the string and you spin it on till all the string gets on there. And then you hold it up. When you pull it, you have to pull it really hard and take the string all the way out. So you got to pull it and have the whole string come out and remove the handle slowly. Just like so. All right. Good luck. Hope you have fun playing with it.